Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 305I, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and select power off once it shows up. And when the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. After a moment, this will boot us into bootloader. So from here, using only volume up, you want to select recovery mode, which is the first option. So just make sure that the arrow jumps all the way back up to the top, like this, and then press volume down to confirm it. And in a moment, this will then redirect us to the recovery mode. And there we go. Now in here we have a couple additional options. So here we can actually use both of the volume buttons to navigate up or down. So volume down will go down and up, obviously up. And power button will now be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now with that in mind, let's go over the options. So we have reboot system now, which is just a way to get back into Android. Reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to the first page we have seen after turning off the device. Fast boot mode, and we have apply updates through ADB or SD card, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, run logs, run tests, and power off the device. So anyway, I'm going to select the first option, which is reboot system now, confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this will just bring me back to Android. And you can see we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.